I bought a bunch of books and immersed myself in learning. I set about learning the different ways of trading the markets, and within a couple of years, I was back to square one. All the knowledge I gathered gave me no wisdom, no real way of knowing what is about to happen, which way the markets are going to unfold. Not a thing changed in my trading. It was the same. I appeared to be wiser, to know more, and could explain everything happening in the market, just like we always do, after it has happened. But it gave me no edge, no advantage, no practical way of making profits. Yes, I now sounded intelligent like the so-called experts on the television in the media. But was I making money? Showing profits in my trades? No, not a single cent to show for my effort. Trading was still the same. I am sure most of you have gone through similar situations, felt the same emotions, sometimes getting desperate, wringing your hands in despair as you lose your hard-earned money. And then, one awesome evening, I had an angel show the way, throwing light in the most unusual fashion. She was then just 13 years old. And as I was studying the markets, she came and pointed out the secret message of the markets. While not knowing what she was saying, but one simple sentence changed my life. The secret of the markets that was well hidden right in front of everyone's eyes in broad daylight became clear, and I started viewing the markets in a different light. I spent the next 6 months re-looking at the markets and discovered how easy it is to trade the markets, just following the hidden order, the hidden message of the markets, and putting profits in my account again and again as I watched my account grow in a matter of just 51 trading days. I had a 107% profit, and I realized I was onto something big. And it has been a one-way journey from then on. Let me tell you now, there is a way to make consistent profits, consistently making money, to be on the right side of the markets, and show phenomenal profits. Profits you never thought possible. Profits you never imagined. Profits that will let you live the life you dream of. And take this small journey with me today. Stay with me till the end of the presentation, and I will show you how you too can become the successful trader. You too can make the markets your self-reloading ATM, and you too can live the life of your dreams. You will be living in a house you dream of. You will become a profits-attracting magnet. I have even taught a 7-year-old child to read the language, so you can imagine how easy it will be for you.